Torshi Mini Tower Patio Heater 1100 BTU. Excludes the propane tank that we're going to need to place in here. While we install this, we're going to get a propane tank and show you how this works. This is not hard to install. It's very simple. Comes in a nice box. Very easy to go over instructions. Everything you need to know. So let's get a nice close-up look at all the parts and install it. Everything has a number. And we're going to just simply align this up the best we can, match hole for hole. We're going to align the cover with the 4 holes. Lock everything down. With the supplied wrench, you're going to start to tighten. The first part's not hard. What I did was I basically put it like so. I put everything in and I started to tighten things down. Okay, so what we're going to do is take the main base. It looks like it lines up like so to the holes. Take your time. It should fit in. Find the Phillips screws and lock them down into place. And you're going to lock them down into place. Grab the top, grab one of these bars, lay them in with the nut inside, and you're going to start to tighten down. And repeat for the other 2. When all finished, that's what it's going to look like. And what you're going to do is you're going to place this on. You're going to take the screws and lock them into place. This is a guard. It slides over. It matches up into the holes over each of the corner. Make sure they all go in nice and comfortable. Once they lock into place, take your cover, match it up the best you can. Take your washer, take your bell nut, take the supplied tool, tighten down. You get a small screw, a nut, and you get this little part here that you're going to do your best to lock into place. And to do your best to align this in and lock it down. All looks good. You take your cover, put your fuel in, close it down. This has a magnet, so it will hold the cover on. E-Stove makes awesome heaters. Patio or stand-up ones. It all depends what you're looking for. So if you're sitting here on a nice large table, you got yourself an awesome patio heater. So I hope this review of the E-Stove patio heater is to your liking. Let's get some fire going. Those evenings where you want to heat up the area with a full patio heater or a tabletop one. I hope this product may be right for you. Enjoy your heaters.